Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add music into Adobe Express. For that you have to come to the Adobe Express. From there you have to click on this plus icon. From there you have to go to videos where you can add music. You cannot add music into photos, social media. You can add music into social media, but for this tutorial I am using video. So just simply click on the video. From there I want to choose this templates video. Simply click on that. It will set up the video. Now just simply click get started with your project. Just click on the next. It will appear the timeline. Now you can do is to you can just click on add music. From here you can choose whatever music you want to add, but if you want to add background music from your computer, you can simply upload from your device as well. In my example I will choose music, this one. Right now I don't have a music. You can go to Pixabay, which is which provides royalty free music. For music you can use this website called Pixabay, which is very uh, copyright free. Just simply click on download and it will download the whole music. Now again just click on upload from your device and click on the music you have downloaded. Here we go. So this is how you can add music into Adobe Express. Now you can fade in or you can fade out as well, or if you want both of them you can give. From here you can manage your volume of music. So if this tutorial finds helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.